Hello, sports fans. Today we're going to be taking a look at the current Battle Pass Armored Elephant. The challenges begin with the elephant in a China shop. All you have to do is destroy or help allied players destroy 250 player vehicles. And you have until May 18th to get there. As you can see, that's not going to be an issue. Because the assists, doesn't matter whether you're air, ground, or sea, the kills and assists add up. And you get 3 levels for completing that one. I want to get to level 21 as fast as possible because it has 84 days, the end of the event, in order to play 5 missions in a vehicle of 8 nations. Well, 6 of them have navies. France and China are the other 2 I'll probably use, and I'll probably fly bombers, or, as we'll see, other events where the heavy tank in France will play a role. The next one, which starts, tomorrow? 30 missions destroying at least one other player's vehicle. You don't have to win 30 missions. Okay. Well, they'll all be naval, and they'll be part of those 6 countries that can fly, that can be used as naval. 10,000 mission points in each of the following game modes: air battles, ground battles, naval battles. Naval battles won't be a problem. Air battles will be probably 10 or 15 missions, and ground battles will probably be about 25 or 30 missions because I suck at ground battles. Fury of the Beast. Destroy 3 player vehicles without losing your own while using a heavy tank 10 times. I'm going to have a very difficult time with that one. But I'll be using that French tank, so at least I'll get my 5 missions for France out of it. Destroy 5 player vehicles of each military branch while using a fighter. Air, ground, and naval. Well, I can see doing it in the naval. I'll do coastal battles and use a fighter. Air, that means I gotta shoot down other planes in a fighter. Now, 5 player vehicles, because in an air battle, they're all player vehicles usually, and realistic. I don't know. That's going to be tough for me. I think I've shot down fewer than 5 player vehicles in my entire fighter experience. Battle Award Adamant, 25 times. Adamant means you get hit and don't die. You get it. So 25 times you get hit and don't die, you'll get this one. My ground battles will take care of that, I'm pretty sure. 20,000 damage to other vessels while using a coastal vessel of at least 75mm caliber. I have lots of coastal vessels, at least 3 with USA and 3 with Germany. I didn't even go looking any further. I know that Russia has at least 3. So that will not be a problem either. Having trouble with my mouse. 50 player vehicles using German tank destroyers. Ugh. Ugh, ugh, ugh. I don't know. That one, I may have to stay up all night for 2 weeks in order to get that done. Drop a total of 20,000 kg of bombs on enemy bases. Well, the PE-8, the Russian bomber, carries 5 kg bombs by itself. So that's 4 missions where you hit the target. That's not that big of a deal. And even the Italian bomber I normally fly can do that, Battle Award Professional, 25 times. Professional means you kill 5 player vehicles without losing your own. Or maybe it's just 5 5 enemy in a battle. But anyway, that one, well, it's 21 days, so you get 2 a day. I usually get at least 1 a day, so. Receive 20,000 mission points in battles where the vehicle from the current Battle Pass season were used. For me, it'll be the HMS Cadiz. It's the first vehicle you get as a reward at level 38. It's a 4.7 destroyer, I think. At 4.7, it's a premium vehicle, so it comes fully modified. All you gotta do is put a good crew on it. With the backup, you can use it twice per battle. So, okay, I can do that. Sorry. Oh, man. I gotta adjust my mouse sensitivity, I think. Where were we at? Okay, we just did that one. That one is the Cadiz, of course. And these are the ones that you unlock by getting to certain levels, and you have until the remaining of the event in order to finish them. This is just the eight nations. Destroy 15 player vehicles with a torpedo using a blue water ship. Well, for me, that'll be Japan because they have the most and the best torpedoes. Destroy player heavy tanks and tank destroyers, 10 units of each, while using a light tank. This is another nightmare one. I have to get to, what's the level? Level 60. I have to get to level 60 before all these other ground events come up so that I can do them more than one at a time. Well, let's take a look at the awards. You have to get to level 125 in order to get the free next battle pass, 150 to finish. Level 40 is the using your torpedoes. At level 51, we get an FSC-10 France 3.7 premium vehicle. And I think it's a fighter, so maybe I could use that. Well, France doesn't have a navy, so I have to use it when I do the French ground battles. Level 60, we get the heavy tanks and tank destroyers. Level 75, we get the vehicle everybody wants, the Elephant. It's a tank destroyer, and as far as I'm concerned, it's an amusing thing, but not something that I'll probably ever use other than if I have to use it for this event, because it's a premium vehicle. VR 6.7 is beyond where I normally play. I don't usually go above 5.3 in ground battles, but, well, we'll see. Devil hates a coward. And the rest of it's just war bonds and screensavers. You need this coupon and that coupon to get the free next battle pass. And you got to go all the way to 150 in order to get the belt. Well, that's what the current battle pass Armored Elephant looks like. Let me know what you think in the comments. See you later.